Good morning, awesome people. Welcome to DIY Solar Homestead. So I got the seeds out and they're blowing around. Got ready for a photo. The wind blew them all off the table. So, as you can see, there's a lot of varieties in this bucket. Got this on eBay probably back in July. Heirloom Garden Survival Seed Cache. So, it's got all kinds of stuff. It says on the lid, $250,000 to 300,000 seed cache. So lots of seeds. It's gonna blow them off again. So we're gonna get the starters going today. We got a 3-day weekend. I gotta tell you something funny. It was probably Monday or Tuesday. I turned in a vacation form for a half a day on Friday. It was yesterday. It was Thursday. I had looked at the board at lunchtime, and I saw it was a holiday anyway. Little joke. I told the team leader, and I just discovered it was a holiday. I get paid for the whole day off anyway. And she laughed. She just said, "Yeah, I just threw it away." I said, "You wasn't going to say anything? You were going to let me come in on Friday morning?" And she laughed. And she said, "I didn't even think of that." But it was cute. I wanted a half a day, but I got a whole day. So here we are, getting paid. Have the seeds knocked around. I'm going to go ahead and pick them up and get all the seed starters going. And might put them in the porch. It snowed last night, so there was a little bit of snow on the van this morning. And we're going to get more snow. It's going to be cold for up to 3 days. We're looking at the around the 14th. So I might put them all in there. I got a peach tree. No. I got a cherry tree. I put that on the porch because it's got buds on it. And keep that protected. I'm going to get probably another cherry tree next payday. So, and I want 2 peaches also. Everybody says fruit trees grow best if there's 2 of them. Everything grows in pairs. Alright, I'm still learning. And I'm going to cut it right here. I'm going to go get my grow on. And you have a nice solar planting day.